How to set up Apple CarPlay on a motorcycle with REVER. Pair your Bluetooth headset with the bike. Go to Audio Settings, Bluetooth Settings, Rider Headset Pairing. We are using the Sena 10C Pro in this video. We've already paired it. Now that we have our headset hooked up, we can tether our iPhone to the bike USB port and launch REVER. If you go back to the home screen, you can see Apple CarPlay there. Select Apple CarPlay. REVER should be one of the options or already on the screen. Visit your favorites to find rides. Select the ride, choose between Get Directions and Display Route on Map. We're going to do Get Turn-by-Turn Directions. Once it loads up, select Go, and you're off and riding.